Got a leak, an exposed wire, or need a quick fix? One tape can handle it all. Say hello to self-amalgamating tape, your ultimate repair solution. Hello, I'm Laurie Smith, one of the founders of Lampfix, and today I'm going to show you self-amalgamating tape. This tape can solve some of the toughest repair challenges. Self-amalgamating tape is a rubber tape that is one of the most magical products that I sell. It's not very sticky, but watch what it does for waterproofing or sealing or building up products. And this is how you use it. It's separated by a bit of paper, so you pull the paper back to expose it, and you can see it's not very sticky. And imagine you're wanting to waterproof a joint like this. I've got some 4-core cable here. So you start off and you loop it round without applying any pressure until it's done one complete loop, and you can see it's gripping on itself. Then you pull it till it goes to about half its width and turn the cable or turn the tape and cover however much you want to form a waterproof. And notice I'm lapping it half on half. When you've finished the end of where you want to join it or waterproof it, you do a complete circle round till it's back on itself and release the tension. I find the best thing to use is a sharp pair of scissors. Cut it there and squeeze it down on itself. Then I use the hand temperature just to hold it for about 30 seconds where it molds itself and forms a complete waterproof seal. Traditionally, this was used by telephone engineers doing connections on telephone lines, but it has multiple uses. You can use it to fix hose pipes, plastic piping, as well as electrical joints. I've often used it to overseal round a grommet entry, but I'll show you now. If we pull this back on itself, I'll show you how effective it is. I'll now use my scissors again, cut through the tape, and you can see it has molded itself into a solid rubber washer. Ready to tackle your next repair? Purchase your self-amalgamating tape now and make sure you're prepared for whatever comes your way. Thanks for watching.